siya lang talaga eh. I mean, siya lang nakaka-tolerate sa akin. Pag tinatoyo ako, ganyan. So, naloko ko nga siya eh. Ano yung adobo mo kung wala yung toyo ko, di ba? Kung ang sinigang nga, kailangan ng suka.
We can see for miles down this highway. It's a feeling that you couldn't replace if you tried. Alright. We got time and we got dreams. We got the grass underneath our feet. This is how it's supposed to be. I'm with you, yeah.
Pag-isipan mo mabuti, later, kung yan na ba talaga. Kasi ito, habang buhay na. Yun lang, love you.
On and on and on and on. You and me together.
Dayan, do you take Kaiser her present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
I do.
You and me together. Ain't nothing better. You and me together. On and on and on.
Actually, kay Dayan kasi simula nang na-meet ko yung parents niya or family niya, nasa point na ako na may pag-asa eh. Or somehow, ito na talaga. Dayan, from this day forward, well, even before hindi kayo makapol, I love you with all of my heart. I vow to cherish your smile and your laughter, comfort you in your sorrow and your sungit, and support your dreams until they come true. I will always be your husband, your boyfriend, your best friend, and your best gossip and secret keeper.
Kaiser, you are the love of my life, and I am lucky to be marrying you today. I know it wasn't an easy journey, but this just proves the strength of our relationship. There is a long way to go, and I'm excited to see what's in store for us in the future.
You shining brighter than them somehow. This is the best part. I dreamed of this moment with you. You have my whole heart. Now to forever, it's true. This is the best part. You are the best part. Yeah, this is the best part. You are the best part.
Ito na, today's the day. After ilang months and years, ito na yun. Sabi ko naman sa'yo eh, sabay tayong ikakasal.
Nakilala kami sa office. Tapos crush na niya ako. Joke. Hindi. Nakita lang niya ako sa office. Yun. Tapos, hindi niya kilala. Hindi niya alam anong pangalan ko. Ganon. So, nagtanong-tanong pa siya bago niya nalaman yung name ko.
I wanna stand with you on a mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea.
Yung official na pagligaw niya, gumawa siya ng mobile app eh.
Dapat pag open ito, yan, may scan na picture. Tapos mag-a-appear yung, yun, pwede manligaw.
Kinilig ka naman.
Oo naman.
Kasi mahilig ka mag-screenshot ng photos ko, ito na gamitin mo para mas maganda ako. Kidding aside, let's capture our highs and lows, entering a new chapter of our lives. As married couple, See you later at the altar. Thank you, Dayan. Thank you, Squishy. Magagamit natin to sa travels natin and sa travels pa. Marami tayong travels.
Your gift from Kikogo.
I know you will deeply miss him, especially when you move into our new home. To ensure a piece of whiskey is always with us on this special day, I have a small gift for you. It is designed to keep your feet warm, reminding you of his comforting presence. Hindi ko siya madala kasi alam ko mas need siya ng parents ko para ma-entertain sila sa bahay.
I wanna stand with you on a mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea.
Make your home a sanctuary of love, a sanctuary of truth, a sanctuary of chastity and fidelity. Why? Because here in this very place, we proclaim love, truth, and fidelity of God.
I wanna cry the tears of joy for all the pleasure and the certainty that we're surrounded by.
Ang dami na natin pinagdaanan, ang dami nating pinuntahan, at marami pa tayong pupuntahan. Thank you for choosing me. I love you more than words can say.
Devour you. I wanna stand with you on a
I promise to love you and cherish you as my husband. I will support you in achieving your dreams with an open heart and mind. I will laugh with you during the best times and cry with you during the sad times. I promise to be a shoulder you can always lean on. Together, let's embrace life's challenges. I love you to the moon and back, and so much more than that.
until the sky falls down on me.
Congratulations, and I hope one day makakasalubong ko ang inyong anak at apo at ang sasabihin nila, ang lolo ko and lola ko, they live happily ever after.
I wanna live
Kaiser, you may now kiss your bride.
until the sky falls down.